Good morning. I have a cash deposit,
Okay.
and then I need change for the cash that's in here.
Okay.
All right.
All right. I'll be right back. All right. Your change, card, and receipts all back in this envelope.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Thank you.
I took a pill in Ibiza to show Avicii I was cool. And when I finally got so
Yeah. Hi, I'm John Waters.